Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a wash day routine after taking out my sew-in. I had my sew-in for about 4 weeks and I decided I'd do an apple cider vinegar mixture to loosen up some of my buildup. Once I apply the mixture, I allow it to sit on my scalp for about 30 minutes underneath a plastic cap or bag. For my shampoo, I'm using the pink lemonade and coconut shampoo from the Main Choice. The mixture is all done. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to add this to my deep conditioning mask, which will have an avocado and some mayonnaise. Alright, so I finally decided to add the avocado to the mixture. One thing I can say about this, I'm probably never using avocado again unless I have a blender, because blending this stuff by hand takes so long. Like, I literally had to take my hands and like squish it in because the spoon, nothing was doing anything. So next up, I'm probably just going to add a little bit of mayonnaise, and then the next clip will show me applying it to my hair. So now I'm just going to go in with my rice water. I did dilute it with a little bit of water, not much. I also infused rosemary and basil with my rice water. And I just let it sit in the cabinet for like 2 or 3 days. Here's the conditioner. My hair is in there, sorry. And I just apply this like I do all my deep conditioners. Y'all already know how I go. Roots first, smooth it down. Then I do have a few chunks of avocado in my hair, so I want to make sure to do the smoothing motion a lot before I start the detangle, because I want to try to smooth the avocado pieces into my hair.